Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Friday, October 18th. This is David, and gold is heading back up. Now we expected it will after, or expected that it would after it put in this counter trend pullback right into Fibonacci and Voodoo line support, and that means we get to look upwards to what is my target right up here by the 2778 Voodoo tree line. Now, this is in spot gold. So for those of you who want to watch it through the lens of the futures, the current futures front month contract is the December contract. So if you're looking at December gold at about 24 bucks, 24 bucks an ounce to the prices shown here for the corresponding levels in the gold futures. And as we look to that level, there are a few things that stand out about it. Of course, it is the Voodoo tree line, and we want to have some confidence in these Voodoo line levels because of how well they've been respected pretty much all year long. So middle of the year, we found support right at this Voodoo fire line. These are the most important of the Voodoo line levels. And you can see how it very crisply went up to the snow line when we finally did start to turn back up, pulled back from there, climbed above, and just like we bounced along support at the fire line, bounced along support at the snow line, go the next snow line, then we broke above, found support. So very crisp levels, and now that we're continuing to work our way up from these third most important levels, the snow lines in our move up from the primary degree fire lines, the next significant level up is this Voodoo tree line level, our second most important of the Voodoo line levels, and we could reasonably imagine a pause there. Furthermore, because we expect that these moves to the upside will have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure, from an Elliot wave standpoint, we can use the Fibonacci proportions that we typically see within these 5 wave moves to identify where we might run out of gas. And it's pretty typical to see a fourth wave be similar in size to the wave 1. And that would be just a little bit above that tree line level. So for several reasons, if we do get up around here, I'm going to scale out of some of my long gold, pretty much take profit on what I added back here, right, on what was a Fibonacci 23.6% retrace of this move down, 23.6% retrace of this rise that itself was 161.8% of this move up. So in addition to respecting our Voodoo lines levels, this is respecting Fibonacci pretty well. So coincidence of targets at this level has me saying, you know what, if it exceeds it, that's great. But that was my target when I was adding back here last week at the lows. And so I'm going to look to take some partial profits in gold up here at the target 2777. At that point, it's at least plausible that that the move up here from late June could be complete. I'm not saying it is, but it could be. And given the large degree picture, I think we're susceptible to a significant move back down, maybe down towards 2,400 bucks an ounce. If not precisely there, then potentially somewhere within the range of this May high to June low, and that is a good bit further down than where we're trading now. So, so while it would take a move back below last week's low to really lock in the idea that that larger pullback was in place, I'm preparing for where I want to start to scale out a bit. So that's what I have. I hope you found it useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.